Asuka, Nara, Hyunh, Kamakura, Kenmu, Muromachi, Momoyama. Centuries ago, Japan lived in peace and harmony. The land was divided among various daimyos and guarded by samurais. But that all changed when the Tokuguawa shogunate attacked. The shogun shut Japan out from the rest of the world. Famine soon struck and peasants revolted. He tried to fix it, but the order was already damaged. Many years passed with the Tokugawa shogunate ruling, until Matthew Perry journeyed to Japan determined to open Japanese markets for the rest of the world, leading the citizens of Japan to lose faith in their government. Soon, some people believed that power would never be restored, but the civil war between the daimyo and bukufu helped lead to the end of the shogunate. The new emperor, Mitsuhoki Meiji, led the Meiji Restoration.
Order will restore the field's destiny. Thanks to the leaders, we will heal.
Tokugawa went to the U.S. Fought for equal rights in Japan. Meiji leaders made a new government. Influence came from Germany. Enlightened ruler regained power over affairs. More Western ideas such as equality. Established postal service. For British years for rail service. Silk and weaponry with a good trade.
Emperor Meiji became the ruler. Number one goal was to centralize political power. Establish constitutional monarchy with legislature. Economic power controlled by Zaibatsu.
Leaders used to be samurai. Constitution of Japan and Banzai, highly centralized, elected parliaments, educated population, feudal system or samurai.
Enlightened ruler regained power over affairs. More Western ideas such as equality. Postal service. For British years for rail service. Silk and weaponry with a good trade.